Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to change the font color in MS Word. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to customize your text color and even highlight your words easily. So, let's get started. First, open MS Word on your computer. Now, look at the top toolbar. Here you'll see the font color option, the A icon with a color bar. Click on it and choose the color you want. As you can see, the font color has been changed successfully. If you want to apply a different color, just click again on the font color option, pick another color, and click. The new color will be applied instantly. Now, if you want to highlight your text, click on the highlighter option in the toolbar. Then, select the text you want to highlight. And it's done. And that's it. You've learned how to change font color and highlight text in MS Word. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more MS Word tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.